Hi, I'm Mike with Alesis, and in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble the AHB-1 Home Accessory Bundle for the Alesis Prestige, Prestige Artist, and Recital Grand digital pianos. It should only take a few minutes, and the only thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Everything else is included in the AHB-1 box. Let's get started by assembling the stand. The stand consists of three main pieces: two side panels and a middle piece that includes the foot pedals and connection cable. Make sure that the mounting brackets on the top of the side panels are facing inward, and use your Phillips head screwdriver to attach both side panels to the middle piece. The AHB-1 includes two sets of screws in the box, and for this, you're going to want to use the longer of the two sets. There are two long screws for each side with 4 in total. Once those are screwed in tightly, you can cover the holes and keep everything looking nice and neat using the included plastic caps. Now that the stand itself is assembled, it's time to attach and connect the Alesis digital piano. Place your digital piano on top of the stand so that it's resting directly on top of the mounting brackets. You'll need to align the screw holes on the bottom of the piano with the ones on the brackets. Placing the piano centered in between the side panels should already get you really close to where you need to be, so just take a look under the piano and adjust as necessary. Once everything's lined up, use your Phillips head screwdriver and the 4 shorter screws that were included in the AHB-1 box to firmly secure the piano to the stand. The final step is to connect the foot pedal cable into the pedal unit input on the back of your piano. That's it, stand assembled and foot pedals connected. But you're going to need somewhere to sit, so let's assemble the bench. For the bench, all you have to do is connect the 4 legs to the cushioned seat. Everything you need for this is included in the box. For each leg, there's a flat washer, a split washer, and a hex nut that can be tightened with the included wrench. Take one of the 4 legs and insert it into any of the 4 corners of the seat. Once it's in place, place one of the flat washers over the leg post, followed by one of the split washers. Finally, screw on one of the hex nuts using your fingers. Once you've screwed it in a bit, use the wrench to tighten it down on the washers, firmly securing the leg in place. Repeat this for the other 3 legs, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're still stuck or you need help with any Alesis product, please visit us at www.alesis.com. Thanks for watching.